What's next?
It
It was what? You said it was an ad? Ad for what?
There's a bottle of liquor and there's a small print.
What liquor was it? 5, 4, 3,
Bartender knows.
2, 1. Go, bartender.
Campari
Campari liquor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, was it really about him having sex with his mother in the outhouse?
No.
What was it about?
It was about drinking Campari liquor for the first time.
Drinking Campari liquor for the first time. The headline said, Falwell talks about his first time, which sounds sexual, but it was about the liquor. Falwell sued. Why?
Because he said that it was against his character. What is that in writing?
Not true.
Yes.
Okay, it wasn't true. Tell me more. What was the problem?
He said it was doing something to his
It
public
ruined his
image.
image, his public image. He
Okay.
is a pastor of a church.
Yeah?
It's making him look bad, and it made his mama look
It
bad.
made his mother look bad, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Falwell's basically suing, and he said, listen, I did not say any of this. I did not consent to any of this. I didn't even want them to publish my picture. Don't forget about that part. They said that this is making me look bad and attacking my career. They also said that this is attacking my mother. What specifically did he sue for? What did he want damages for? 5.
Emotional damage.
It was emotional distress. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What was Flint's argument? What was his First Amendment argument to be allowed to publish this?
It's freedom. It's a joke for one. He said it was a joke, and
Where did he say it was a joke?
He clearly said it.
It was in fine print in the bottom. What exactly did it say? It was
This
5.
Not to be taken literally, this is a parody.
Ad parody, not to be taken seriously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not only did it say it on the page, but
he said it was a section in the magazine.
it was included in a 20-page section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. What did the Supreme Court say? Did they say that Falwell should get damages because they insulted his mother,
No.
or did they say that Flint should win?
Flint.
Why?
Because it was clearly an ad parody and it was listed in the section. It said it was a joke at the bottom.
They said that no reasonable person would think that this was true because of the listing, but they said something else. 5, 4,
They say it's going to
3,
set a precedent for other people
2,
to be able to sue for
1,
damages.
go.
They said that because he's like famous. This is like.
He's a public figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as a public figure, you have to take the good with the bad.
Like,
If
it happened to me,
I,
then it can't happen.
well, say again.
But if it happened to me because I'm not a public figure, then it'd be like.
That's right. If this was just a regular person because you did not choose this lifestyle, then in fact, even if you said that it was a joke on there, it doesn't matter. It wouldn't be allowed. Anything else? 5, 4, 3. If you'll lower the screen, if you'll hit the light switch, if you'll click it, pick me a category. 30, 35, 40, 45, 51. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 54. David Scrooge in second place. Go.
Articles for
Articles for 4.
We love porn.
love hustling.
You drunk?
This is another big one. If you'll raise it up and hit the light switch again.
Don't ask.
Nobody's ever said that in my class. I need you to draw that. Got it? Okay. 1 minute starting on the 5. Got it? Okay.
Start yelling out words.
Is that a
Chinese food. Chicken. Beer.
Cell phone. What's the significance of cell phone from the judiciary chapter? You have it first. You've got it second. Go, Mischief. You're now in second place by 1 point.
Is this the article about the beach and the man?
You have to tell me. Is
Okay,
it?
well, yes, it is.
Zoom in. Get close. Go.
Basically, a man and a woman went to a work party.
Yeah, they did. Man and woman went to a work party in North Carolina. What'd they do?
They went down to the beach,
Yeah.
and she was drunk, and then she passed out.
1, 2, 3, 4. They left together voluntarily. We had the discussion of whether or not when you leave with somebody, if there's an expectation. Generally speaking, the bulk of you said yes, so chivalry may be dead. When
Right.
she passed out, what was it that happened then?
Well, he took pictures of her,
And?
Touched her.
touched her
And he
in
sent
various places.
Wow,
the
did you
picture.
touch her? Wow, that's pretty. You never spoke like that the whole class. He took pictures and he touched her. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, he
And he
did.
said,
Passing on the beach saw that, and they called anonymously to the police.
1, 2, 3, 4. The police got there. What did they do when they were trying to save this drunk and passed out delicate flower?
They checked his phone.
They went through his phone and
They found the pictures.
they found the pictures. What did they charge him with? 5,
They
4.
found him with
Sexual assault.
Second degree sexual assault and 4, 3, 2,
Indecency.
minus 4. What was the second charge? Second degree sexual assault and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Secret peeping photographic imaging. First hand I see.
real charge.
Yeah, you gotta be thinking next time you take pictures of people and they
Right,
don't
I guess
know.
I better not.
Watch out, bartender. Everybody put your hand. I can ask the question first. Yeah, that's right. They're out. They're out. Okay. So the next question is, okay, this is what they charged him with. What the police do?
Why are you doing
Go ahead,
that?
Joseph.
You guys are out.
Yeah.
The police then they went to the carrier.
What'd they do first?
They charged him.
They asked to see his phone. They went through his phone, right? And what'd they find? They found the very pictures of what the passersby said. And then what did they do? Okay, and then what did they do? Anybody in the group?
Didn't they charge him?
Didn't they get some more evidence?
Minus
5,
4. Minus
4, 3, 2, minus 4. Okay, you're out. Yeah, it's Israel's group. What did they do?
You said we were next.
Did I say they were next?
No, you didn't.
Okay, the car's overruled me. Go. 5, 4. What's that?
I'm not sure. I don't want to
3. The question was, what did they do after they went through his phone? 2,
Use it as evidence.
1. I've already heard that. -4. Israel's really struggling.
They took into custody.
They actually got a warrant.
Are we not allowed to answer?
Oh, okay, go ahead.
We got a warrant. He went to the phone carrier.
What was the phone carrier? They went to Sprint with him. Yes. Okay, go. He said Verizon. So what happened? Okay, wait. Hands down. Hands down. First hand I see. Can they use the evidence?
No.
Yes.
Go ahead.
No.
Why?
Because they use illegal evidence to try to get.
They used illegal evidence. What'd you yell? That's right. It was not in plain sight. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was like versus in the dime bag or in the trunk. They went through his phone. That was illegal, so that evidence was gone. What about Sprint with the warrant?
No, they can't.
Why?
They use illegal evidence which led them to.
They used illegal evidence which led them to gain that other evidence legally. They lost all. Fruit of the poisonous tree, exactly. So they lost it all. Chris Snow was the man's name. He walked. What was he doing when the police got there?
He was taking her back to his car.
Yeah, and there was some question, 1, 2, 3, 4. He was loading her into a car. Was it to do something worse, or was it because you don't leave someone passed out drunk on the beach? There was a little bit of a debate from y'all when we talked about this. When would it be legal for the police to be able to go through that phone if they didn't have a warrant? You guys still have it.
The phone's on and the pictures are right there.
If there's a screensaver, if the phone's on, 1, 2, 3, 4, or frankly, if they see it in public view. Go ahead, if you'll lower the screen, turn off the light. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 81.
1 point.
Okay, but the mischief has got 71, so there's still a battle here. Pick me a category,
Executive,
go.
1 point.
What's that?
Executive, 1 point.
According to the text, what is the number one attribute for an effective president? Who's one? Go ahead, Laura. -1.
Wait, we chose it.
No, not if it's a term. It's the first hand we see. -1. It's not courage. According to the text, what was the number one attribute? This is the thing that a president's got to do to be considered an effective president. I do think it's you.
To be effective president?
Yes. Still not courage. -1. The Israeli group seems to repeat. I don't know what's going on. Yes, David's uncle.
Knowledge.
-1. Who said honesty? -1.
We didn't say that.
Who said honesty? Oh, Israel's group. -1.
We didn't say honest. We didn't even we were saying bravery.
Everybody's out.
-1. Yes, Rebecca.
Persuasion.
Persuasion, click it. Yes. According to the text, persuasion is supposed to be it. Convincing people to do. Click it.
Can I call a timeout?
No, this is from the text. No. Okay, pick me a category. This is for first place.
Executive for 5.
Executive for 5. List all you can. This is a big one. United States versus Nixon. You have it first. Who's got it? They've got it next. Go. 5,
Oh my god.
4,
It
3.
established the executive privilege.
What's that?
It established the executive privilege.
Okay, go ahead. Explain to me. What are the facts? 4,
The
3.
Watergate scandal.
Explain it. 2, 1. Go, Israel.
Tape recording.
This is a big one, Israel. You have a chance for first place.
Do we still get last one?
No.
You said list all we can.
Yeah, and you didn't list me anything.
We listed everything.
Five.
It's about the tape recorder that he kept in his office.
Go.
It's about the tape recorder that.
Okay, it's about the tape recorder. So what are the facts? What happened?
So he actually, I think the.
Go.
So he actually recorded everything that he did so that people.
Nixon recorded everything that he did in the Oval Office. He wanted to have a good record of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll give you that. But what led to this discovery? Go ahead, Jason.
When Nixon's people went into the Democratic Convention at the Watergate and they broke into a hotel room and got information.
Nixon's people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, broke into the Democratic National Headquarters. What's that? Creed. Committee to re-elect the president. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me more.
One of my drawing skills.
Go. So they broke in. There was some idea that maybe Nixon had something to do with it. What did Nixon do?
Started firing.
Nixon started firing people. And why did people find out about the tapes?
A subpoena for the tapes.
You should actually do.
Because the guy that he fired told. This was the case that was dealing with executive privilege, and this was the case, to make a long story very short, this is the case where the Supreme Court, in a 9-0 ruling, ordered him to turn over the tapes. He did not have absolute executive privilege, but he had to say national security. So take a good look at that. For our purposes, 81 for Buffalo, 5, 10, 15, 20, 29, 30, 39, 40, 45, 48 for David's uncle, 72 for Mischief, 5, 10, 15, 20, 29, 30, 35, 40. Okay, plus 13 if you'll write your names on a paper. Mischief, plus 11 if you'll write your names on a paper. David's uncle, if you'll write plus 9 with your names on a paper. Israel, plus 7 if you'll write your name on a paper. And Sonali and Bakar, if you will write plus 10 and write your names on somebody else's. And you can stop.